Good morning, children. This is Dharmendra Sharma. As you know, we all are covering our first chapter, Human Growth and Development. The topics which we have covered, the difference between growth and development, character skits in different ages, and now the next topic is factor influence growth and development. The first factor is hereditary. Hereditary and genes certainly play an important role in the transmission of physical and social characteristics from parents to offspring. It means the characteristics which your parents having, that is transmitted to you. Different characteristics of growth and development like intelligence, aptitude, body structure, height, weight, color of hair, and eyes are highly influenced by the hereditary. The second is environment. Environment plays very important role to affect our growth and development. As you know, clean, safe, and hygienical environment helps to gain good development. Where dirty, polluted, dangerous place is not good for growth and development. Third is gender. Male and female have different growth patterns at various stages. Male are taller, heavier than female. Male have stronger muscle and have more speed, where the female have more flexibility. These are the difference between male and female. Nutritional growth is directly related with the nutrition. Children, if we are taking good diet, in good diet like proper proportions of diet, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, if we are taking them properly, our body functioning is good. If we are not taking, the result is not favor in our health. The next is physical activities. Children, as you know, the physical activities are very important in our life. The person who is physically fit, he perform much better than others. So that activities are very important. The next is health problems. Growth and development are greatly affected by health problems like disease, illness, injury. See, if we have any type of injury, we are not able to perform efficiently. The next is age. Growth and development are also related to the age. As we grow older, the growth and development is slower. The next is psychological factor. As you know, children, stress, tension, and worries result in the decline of growth and development. So, we should not take stress and tension. We must stay calm and present and properly think of any problems, and we should go for the solution. We should not take any stress. The next is intoxicants. Intoxicants means drug, alcohol, smoking, etc. It reduces the growth and development. The next is proper rest and recovery. Children, as you know, according to our routine, If we are not taking rest properly, and we are not able to perform the same task efficiently next day. So, proper rest and recovery is very important. The next is posture. Good posture contributes towards optimum growth and development, whereas bad posture restrict it. It means the walking posture, sleeping posture, eating posture should be correct. Next is safety and prevention. As you know, children, nowadays the coronavirus is spreading everywhere in every state. If we are taking safety and prevention, so we are safe. If we don't take, and we may be affected. So safety and prevention also play a very important role for our growth and development. Now the next topic is adolescence change, need, problems and management. Children, this adolescence age is very delicate and challenge for the parents. The word adolescence is derived from Latin word which means grow to maturity. Adolescence is a growing period from childhood to maturity. In this period, there are rapid changes of physical, mental, emotional, and social development. The balance between physical and mental development is lacking. So, the children, let's see in adolescence change in adolescence age what are the changes. Number one is physical change. In this period, changes in shape of an individual such as breast development, muscular changes, bone hardening, change in voice, pimples, and there are many changes. This is physical changes during the adolescence age. Psychological changes, the identity of good and bad is not up to the mark, intense, maybe due to lack of experience. It means that during this age the child is not able to think properly and to take proper decision due to this age. Teen try to hide their mistake. Teenager in this period need logical explanation, intelligence, development education, more values, positive behavior from the family, good friends, proper use of expense, etc. Due to these psychological changes, so we should take care all these things. Emotional changes. Adolescence in this period needs moral character, development habits, spiritual guidance, proper attention, time, understanding family needs, emotion control, and expression of emotion in proper way. These changes comes in the emotional. The next is social change. During this age, he needs good friends, parents to act as friends. So, dear children, this is social change comes